Hello and welcome to MedTouch, the best place to find the right medical information. Your home should be your happy place, but when you have asthma, it can make your symptoms much harder to manage. This is because there are a range of triggering allergens such as dust mites, mold, and pet dander living rent-free in your home. So, to stay on top of your symptoms, you need to make your environment as asthma-friendly as possible. When it comes to reducing allergens, dust mites are the hardest to eliminate. Every house has them. They're tiny little bugs that live in your furniture, carpets, bedding, and even pillows. Because they're so tiny, they can only be seen under a microscope, which makes them impossible to detect and eliminate entirely. When you're asthmatic, breathing in these pesky bugs can make your asthma symptoms worse, so it's important that you take steps to reduce the amount of them in your home. Wash your bedding and sheets in hot water each week and dry them in a hot dryer to ensure the mites are well and truly dead. You should also regularly change your pillow and use an allergen-resistant cover to reduce your contact with mites while sleeping. Regularly vacuuming your house is also recommended. However, you may want to ask someone else to do this for you, as vacuuming can stir up particles in the air that irritate your lungs. If you can't get someone else to do this, try wearing a dust mask or using a vacuum that contains a high-efficiency particulate-absorbing filter. If you have pets, you'll also want to do as much as you can to remove pet dander from your home. Try to keep pets away from bedrooms or areas where you spend most of your time. Regularly wash your pet's blankets, mats, bedding, and toys, and after petting or touching your pets, make sure you wash your own hands too. Unfortunately, if your symptoms get particularly bad or unmanageable, you may need to consider the hard decision of rehoming your furry friends. In addition, try to keep your home free from mold spores by reducing moisture in areas such as the bathroom, kitchen, and laundry. To do this, try to avoid having long showers or running the tap for an extended amount of time, fix any leaks that may be contributing to dampness, clean mold immediately as soon as it appears, and make sure you wear a mask while doing this, and use dehumidifiers and humidity monitors in each room to remove and keep track of excess moisture. You may also want to install an air conditioner with a good quality hypoallergenic filter. Air conditioners can greatly improve your home's air quality, and as a bonus, they help to prevent mold and dust mites too. And finally, if you're unable to make your home asthma-friendly due to it being too old or due to other unavoidable triggers, you may need to say goodbye to your current home and move to another place which is more asthma-friendly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so we can stay in touch.